Hi, Nadim for Smart Riding. This is the RiderNav R7M, which I've now been using for about 3 months. And I want to give you my honest opinion of this unit after this length of time in about 2,000 miles. So you can see whether this suits you or not. So just before I begin, if you do decide you want to buy the unit, there is a 25% promo code which you can redeem just by going to ridernav.com, and at checkout you just enter Smart Riding, all one word. There's also a link in the description to that. So if we just compare it to the navigation units likes of Nav VI and the other Garmin units, this is kind of a different league altogether, because you can run Android Auto or CarPlay. Now what that means is you have access to a whole load of different maps, not just the Garmin maps. So you've got Waze, Google, Calimoto, My Route app, Curvigor, various different apps which are motorcycle specific as well. Now today I'm using Calimoto, and I did a route using ChatGPT and it's given me this beautiful route. So it just gave me a GPX file and I put that into Calimoto straight in, and it's just brought me on this route. So if you've used the likes of Garmin Basecamp and had to create routes, putting waypoints in, it can be quite a big task to do sometimes. So if you've used the likes of Basecamp and things, this is way easier, so it'll just create a nice route for you, and ChatGPT generally knows what it's doing. And Calimoto just makes it easy as well. This is Calimoto here. I'm just running this route. I'm also listening to my music, and that's playing through here. Apple Music is on this because I'm using CarPlay. It just makes everything easier to operate because it's all in the one unit. Everything is there. My music's there, my maps are there, everything is there. I can make a call from here if I want to, and the R7M is fully WonderWheel compatible. So I can go down here just by twirling the wheel, twist it, and I can see all my apps. And just by twisting the wheel, I can open different apps. So, like say here, I'll open music. And there you go. And from the wheel again, I can forward, pause, or rewind tracks, or I can choose another playlist. So if I just do this, it lets me just keep forwarding tracks. So it just lets me forward tracks just by twirling the wheel. If I twist it back the way, I can go to the data display. A lot of the time I just leave in a data display if I'm on a long ride and stuff. I prefer just to see that. I'll still get the navigation commands from the whichever app that is open. I'll still get that through the comm system. So the big question is if you've got a Nav VI, should you upgrade to this? The answer is yes. Definitely a big yes, actually. I mean, we named this our 2026 Best Buy budget unit for BMW bikes because it's such a good price as well. With the 25% discount code just now in March, end of March 2026, that means that the unit is coming in at under $300. So convert that to whatever currency you're in, that's what it costs. And also, by the way, they have local warehousing in the USA and in Europe and in the UK. So they have 3 points where they have shipping from, as well as China. So, if you're in Europe and stuff, there's no customs to pay or anything. Same in the UK and same in the US. And generally, delivery in Europe is about 3 days, and UK is about the same. I'm not sure about US. I think that's 3 to 5 days, but it's a lot quicker than most of the units that are being shipped straight from China. Again, look at this beautiful route that I'm on, which is created by ChatGPT and into Calimoto. I'm based in Hungary. I'm originally from the UK, so I'm still new to here. Well, I've been here 3 or 4 years, but I don't know all the roads, and for me it's really handy. But what that means is if you're going on a trip somewhere you're not sure of, then you can ask ChatGPT to make the route and then just put it straight into this and it'll work. And you can have a fair amount of confidence that it's going to give you a decent route. If you're comparing this to other units that are available, other smart displays, the 7-inch ones, this does come up quite high because, like I said, it's got a 1200 nit screen, which most of them are around about 1000, or some are even 800 nits. And by the way, 800 nits is nowhere near enough. So if you've got an 800 nit screen you're looking at, this is better. So it ticks all the right boxes. It's also got over-the-air updates, so you don't need to go to the website and download things to try and update the unit. It does it automatically. You just connect up. In fact, I did an update today. It's moved to version 1.50, and I did that this morning. It took about 2 minutes. I posted it into our RiderNav support group, which is on Facebook. I'll put a link to that in the description as well for you. Posted in there this morning, so nobody's really had issues updating as far as I can see. For me, as I said, it took 2 minutes to do that. That is good as well, because a lot of these units are not supported and people are not updating them, so it means eventually they stop working because, you know, Android Auto updates to something else or CarPlay updates, and it just kind of breaks the unit. Whereas since I've had the unit, there have been 2 updates in 3 months, so you can have confidence that they are looking after you, if that makes sense. As of today, I've tested about 40 different smart displays now. BMW specific ones, about 14 or 15 now that I've got in my studio. And this is about the best budget unit, as I've said. It is so far ahead of the others because it's just got so many other features. You know, you've got the action cam control, the WonderWheel works perfectly, 1200 nit screen, smaller bezel than the others. When you combine all those things, it is simply the best budget buy that you can find on the market today. So for under $300 with our discount code, just buy it. Don't muck around. It is about the best unit you can buy for this price. If you have any questions, just add them in the comments or come say hello in our Facebook group. That's the RiderNav support group is what it's called. And there's a link for that in the description as well as the discount codes. Cheers.